In this video we have the integral of 8 over 1 minus sine squared of x. And this doesn't require any special substitution, standard U or otherwise. Just some basic trig identity. Let's say this is equal to got 8 over, and I do have a fundamental identity, one of the Pythagorean identities. We have cosine squared of some angle, in this case x, plus sine squared of the same angle will always equal to 1. So you can see here we have 1 minus sine squared of x. So if I bring this sine squared over to this side, I'd have a 1 minus sine squared, and that would equal to cosine squared. So I can replace the 1 minus sine squared of x by cosine squared of x dx. And then this would be equal to, I know that cosine and secant are reciprocals. So if I take this to the numerator, that would give me a secant squared of x. I could also write it in the denominator and say cosine squared of x is the same as 1 over secant squared of x, and then multiply numerator and denominator by secant squared, and I would get the same thing. And then just to make it clear here, you don't have to do this, but I'm going to factor out the 8. It's a constant. I can factor it out. And there's some integrals that you just have to recognize, especially some of the basic ones. So I have the integral of secant squared of x dx. So what trig function has a derivative of secant squared? Those you just have to know. And we get 8 tangent of x. And of course you have the constant of integration. That's your answer. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.